everyone. So I want to apologize. I'm getting emails from students in regards to the journal entry, which is one of the last questions for the APA assignment. And when I created the PowerPoint, for some reason, when I uploaded the final edits for the PowerPoint, I may have made a mistake and deleted the particular slide, where I went over the journal entry. So I can understand the confusion there. If you do have questions in regards to APA, though, Purdue OWL has an extensive list of information on APA. It's just a matter of going in and understanding the type of source you want to create on the reference page. Okay. Yeah, so I said, well, let me just double check and see what's going on here. Because, some of the emails I'm receiving, I'm like, well, wait a minute. Okay. So yes, just remember though, you do have a second attempt at this part of the assignment. So I will provide feedback. Once I grade this particular assignment, you will have another attempt at it. So that will be due. I'll let you know when that second attempt is due. So remember, you do have another chance to get this correct. All right. So when I talk about an entry, what I'm essentially referring to is the list on the reference page. Okay. I'm also going to send you an attachment of an actual APA reference page. See, again, all of that, I literally did an audio PowerPoint for all of that. And yeah, I must have mistakenly deleted those slides. All right. So for the journal entry, a journal is a form of a periodical. So periodicals are magazines, journals, newspapers. Those are periodicals. So a journal entry will look like this. Okay, right here would be the final look of a specific journal entry. And right here is almost like a template form of what to include in the journal entry. So for the question, I'm asking you to put it in order based upon how it will look on the reference page. Okay. I'm not asking for in-text citations. I'm only asking for the full text citation that would go on the reference page. So for a journal entry, the author's names come first. So if you have more than one author, the names will come first. You don't have to put those names in alphabetical order. Just put them in the order that the names come in when you are going to start to create a reference page for your project that will be coming up. All right, so APA only puts the full last name, comma, first name initial, then it will be middle name initial. The year of publication comes next. It always goes in parentheses. Then you will have a period. Also, as far as APA, you always close out everything with a period in the entry. Even if the title is asking a question, you are to close it out with a period. Okay. Then you have the title of the article from the journal. The title follows lowercase format, meaning that only the first word is capitalized, unless you have proper nouns and acronyms. Okay, so this would follow lowercase format. The eclipse of listening. So as we see here, only the first word is capitalized. Then we have period right here. And then the name of the journal would go here after the title. All necessary major words are capitalized. So here we have the new criterion. That is the name of the journal. The names of journals are to be italicized. The same is true for magazine names as well as newspapers. Then you have a comma. And if there is a value number, the value number would be italicized. Okay. And after the value number, we have the issue number in parentheses, comma, and then the page numbers. Okay. All right. So this should make better sense for you, for those who have never, formatted per APA. I know some English students are used to MLA, but the reason why I'm using APA is because your other classes, you must use APA for most of those classes. All right, so now this should make better sense for you. Again, I will, provide feedback, but you do have a second attempt at this assignment. All right. And, as I stated, Purdue OWL is a great resource to go to when it comes to APA format. We don't have the manuals in this class, and your book briefly provides information on APA. So what I try to do is provide you with just the necessary resources that you will need. Okay, so I hope this helps. Sorry for that confusion. Again, that slide was just not there. A couple slides were not there. What I did was I had to make changes and, shorten the presentation because the PowerPoint actually comes from Purdue OWL. And they had like 48 slides, and I said, well, we don't need all those slides. So let me take those slides out. And I must have mistakenly deleted some important slides. All right, so I hope this helps.